Hello guys and welcome to Abbas Art School. In today's video I'll show you how you can turn this image from this to this using Google Snapseed. Follow me. First we open the app and then click on the plus icon to select your image. Our image selected, click on the tools icon and then click on expand so that we can add the width of the image. Make sure you are on smart and then drag the image sideways to expand it. Now I want to cover the blue sky on top of the trees. So I will do this using double exposure to add the image again. Use your hand to expand the image and then increase the opacity of the image to 100. Next we go to view edits and then click on the stack brush to paint where we want to apply the effect. That's enough. Now the next thing is to use curves to give the image a darker look. Make sure your pointer is on RGB and then drag the curve below the line. Then go to view edits and then paint where you want to apply the effect. The next thing is to go to vignette and then darken the edges of the image. Click on vignette and then reduce the brightness of the outer part. Not so much, this is enough. So the next thing is to use double exposure to add our light fades. Simply go to double exposure and then select your image. Here is our image. Pinch in and out of the image to adjust it. Now the next thing for us to do is to add warmth to the image so that the tone of the rays will rhyme with that of the image. So head on to turn image, scroll down all the way to warm and then increase the warmth of the image to 100. So now the next thing we have to do is to add some brightness to the upper part of the rays so that it looks more natural. So click on the tune image and then increase the brightness at some saturation and contrast to the image. Now we head on to view edits and then stack brush to pinch where we want to apply the effects. I am not really pleased with the layout of these rays, so maybe we adjust them a little bit. Let's head on to view edits and then click on the double exposure where we added our rays. Then expand them a little bit. We now head on to the selective tool to add some brightness to some specific areas in the image. We then head on to the stack brush to edit our image. Now we are done editing our image. You can pinch in to look at the image very well, or also tap on the screen to see how it is different from your original image. This comes to the end of this video. Please, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button also. Thank you for watching. Save your image.